Hila Khot ham yo Jisu.
Have you called him?
Hatu Jisu habu shong hatu kendo bu tho.
When Jesus bent down to write on the
Kapan kan maru
ground,
yang naga Genesis kelenong gabaar lekot kebahinyo.
it also reminds me from Genesis 2 verse 17.
Namaru Jisu uriu ju utabala tau yang apa depi.
Because Jesus is the one who have created you and me.
Yang habu Jisu shong hangta.
I believe when Jesus sat there
Arsen
twice,
kabamudro.
it also means
Uang yang kata kabrio.
he is telling
Ya
this
pala
woman,
tau hakabanengkong hakakendo balalong pop ken.
you have been initially made by the ground in sin.
Namar ukpat menu Adam ulale pop but baro lahap hakapop lang batu.
Because your forefather or Adam had committed sin and fallen short.
Haringan to arsin biang hakakendo ya kaktin jonga.
But I will write my words again for the second
Kaktin ke jong
time.
try kong unto ya kaktin ke jong o hakadonwat linkiniap ke jongi.
That is why the word says he will write his words in the tablets of our heart.
Yo hakani ke janmin.
What if this afternoon
Biang pastor
you say, Pastor,
natep bu Jisu umda na ka Jingim jonga.
I know that Jesus is not in my life.